Kofiamwa. I want to say it on Sompa. Say me koye.
And castrate me.
No, and you castrate me say. Me koye. Wow, become a SIM card musun me boduya.
Ah,
I'm telling you.
Koye SIM registration.
Me koye she. Me koye she. Yes, na ye boduya. No, you see, what kind of Bible I'm on tiasie. Share. Odifu obi koka nyame asem. Oba na nkura bi di ni ho few. Say akokura tipa frobra. Odumi okomande masisire firam.
I was a woman in Amakwa by the bag Ghana and Sam TV. So, Bomb is like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no attend notification. Then next time, videos of this channel also submit to my camp. Some young women on the piano. If I'm Mr. President, to for Mr. President, and I just somehow say, Madaroma. Now, Bomb is like video, no subscribe to the channel. Come on, my favorite. By chance, you would want to contribute to our studio work, sir. Being it sound, internet, lights, everything, but you'll reach out through number and that's it. Yes, I can better was a pound. So now was
me Kofiamwa. I want to say it on Sompa. Say me koye.
And castrate me.
No, and you castrate me say. Me koye. Wow, become a SIM card musun me boduya.
Ah,
I'm telling you.
Koye SIM registration.
Me koye she. Me koye she. Yes, na ye boduya. No, you see, what kind of Bible I'm on tiasie. Share. Odifu obi koka nyame asem. Oba na nkura bi di ni ho few. Say akokura tipa frobra. Odumi okomande masisire firam be chiwo. He invoked
Babanti.
Oh, sorry. Nyame fanchem.
Amen.
Amen.
As in this party no your chedi na wo se wonya hwe ni.
Me share headset ana.
On Diana. Bacho producer share studio sound man wati.
Me TNDs.
I don't go na bet.
Bacho my kan this asem wa me de nyum fufura ba.
I don't know any asem. I is it una venture direction of conversation is here now.
I chop on a bit. Me tonyo. Enyumo no mana, enyumo na no na say me didi.
Obi na eka na me confirm me from you because we are party person. Now me can say we are
a disappointed party person.
Oh, okay.
Me count you.
Oh, okay. All right. Sorry about that. To what resign there and meet me beside assassin.
We build a constitution, look at the preamble. For us to realize a certain government that will give us what? Prosperity or equality of opportunity. Are we giving our youth equal opportunity? Are we running government to make sure there's proper prosperity? My brother, real lives are at stake and real questions will start being asked. Nanado is fast becoming history in people's expectations and people's problems about governance. People have issues about accountability. Are you really delivering the accountability beyond the public press conferences and saying who has been held accountable after a whole year in office? People are not seeing it. We're having conversations with the transport minister about the efficiency of the procurement, about they even reviewing what they did before they even said they were extending it, about you still doing single sourcing, which we are all agreeing somewhat that it's not optimal. People are seeing these things. People start judging you on your own merit. This is the defining year for John Mahama. The real state of his government will be evaluated after this year. Next year is campaign mode. Campaign mode, and there'll be a lot of disruptions. But this is an indication that your honeymoon is over. So please get focused on the substantive issues that affect our people. Production, employment for our youth. We are looking clearly about accountability on the governance side, ensuring equality of opportunity, cutting out protocol or minimizing it and being transparent about protocol things so people know that they have a fair opportunity for them to transfer their lives. Martin, if protocol was the order of the day, you and I will be here. No. My brother, I'm a Saito guy, so I worry about this. My children have something to step on. I didn't. What I had were great values for my parents. And I thank God for their lives and what they've done. People are taking their children through school, struggling to pay school fees. And they come back and they again will still have to be feeding them. Oh boy, no. People want to see real transformation to their lives. We don't want to hear Akufo-Addo. We are done with Akufo-Addo. If anything, Akufo-Addo catch people who you are, we are done.
Yes.
We want to see transformation for ourselves.
I don't blame her. I blame the NDC in Kwasiafo. NDC in penny form of Jimmy. NDC in penny form of Munyansa. You are the ones I blame. Now NDC in Tiasia Samunya special. I'll be honest here. I'm a farmer one example. Say, and penny for be. Me friend one mon fano. Me here with you. And I'll be you. Mini aba hanabisiu. Me kase mini aba because me mame firstborn. Ewo 54 years. Ono ye pe. Inti wo ye mini aba penny. 2 years ago na ye campaign na me no kasa. Me twa interview wa how. Mame. Me twa interview. Me no na me ne won tam ye fine. Me ba Ghana ina ye shia kama me nkoto be shia kama ye shia wo ye bisa osika ye bisa aka pre ma this lady a me de to wanim na eye ba ko pe ene say enye me last born ye last born me nua ba ketua odi machi oko private nursing owie school na adwuma ba ye problem enti se mubetimi aboa no na in case e bia mo fa nurses na se mubetimi di din ahim amamia eno pene ma this lady a me de to wanim manka se me hia post to be manka se me pe abochire bi akọ eno pe ene ma this lady a me de to ma me wanim e free ho me free Ghana eba ha me free wo a wo fa bi me se no message you don't even read me nim. Se me frewu asabio wadwen ye o se me besrewu me wan so me sre oskada me NDC ni bia di ko amatwefo na afre no ebisa ne sikada nobody me can come out and say chairman frame me na o se ohia boa ohia ska nobody not even my senior Kevin Taylor. I'm saying it again, me see nobody, not even my senior Kevin Taylor. So Kevin Taylor Agyeta, which of course Agyeta ye onu akasa na komemu na o de chair me man sre no me nya sresrefo enti ye fremu na se mo mfa e ma badwe nya mo se ye fremu se ye hia bibi o fefe na efe se me no ntembe kama fefe na efe se ye na ye adwumaden enya ye nko social media for mainstream media for Ghana for the youth devoted themselves and their time eye adwumade bo a NDC and esa youth no e dia de na omonsa aka what have they gotten? Nothing. I can't promise any NDC member say member me campaign and I say me kasa dia boa NDC. I can't promise. NDC mean to me because of Musubai. With Musamu what thing, with trim what thing, why you say chin say barre. When they credo at Mupantimu, no problem. Me and also boxer, credo kutokuro pa de dem. When the mountains na mutrimunya ding, na mo no matamfo. Na omo a edo NDC monto ye ntwene o hine baba o bani na anu ya be video ka say ye fremo kra mo fa biem nurudi na bas mo nyina na ye ne mo a na ekọ na eba o ene he ohu ko kra o fa wadwe ne say me fro say me hia ka ana say me fro say me hia dan ana say me fro say me ministerial bibia na mo bodam say kan biem ne saka se kwasi aba wait na Ghana ha ye campaign tia mo na se ne matimi sponsor ne say onko UK nko kire kwasi asemo dia. And Ghana for say the easiest way to win the love of NDC is to be against them, insult them, and campaign against them. When they get power, they will come and help you, the one who campaigned against them, yeah, whilst neglecting those who campaigned in favor of the NDC. Usubain, tried and tested. We know how you people operate and do your things. Boys snake say your friend mo amon fania. There say be a boys no hia bibio. Of course, mo boa omo a enche omo. Now so fefe na efe say Obi a campaign ma NDC ne isa nipa betimi atwe phone afre wo hanabisiu afre NDC mu mpanimfo bi na magye ne so etise kakakra o we de beti won ka che etise kra kakakra efe etise kakakra mpo efe ye new ambassador waba Nairobi hasi or former Western regional minister Mr. Edu Oba ya me kwachia no na ni agi sei to me frame me etise de na ekoso odwuma no sei ne si kwani efe me nka sebi uluman emfa me nkwa agbochi na ase wonya behwe but say ne ye so ya na say ne ye ani paka ne ho ben wo appreciating the fact say who you be a wo ye adwuma bo ani party say ko kekekura efe no na ni papa o amodi agi mi eni atrimodin neglect atrimodin ya na dem bia me kase Ghana ha ye ka omu a atrimodin pa aibefo ene ntafo omtrimodin brutal omuso na edoso wo NDC ene me ka ni pain ewes awunafo eni atrimodin cho awunani be say awunafo be enum timi kopia brochire ya mu abusuani ba kompo the same thing applies to northerners ye tribu den yenimu ade che onche osika the same thing applies to ewes now so you say sa ompe otwe kura asemu a uyini mrika yam pass and the four asem kura asandefo eba giving asandefo trimu nya de omsem omre asantini ba akotumi kopie yayi abrochire US London within 10 years na nebusuafo be ensia enson ase so mu nyina akọ ewani onye obesa kura to oduru kura sa eku not the penny onye omutrimu osum omutrimu odin. That is why where they are is like that because the one crab nyeska ye nkwe kromu nkosiesie ho da omu nyina egu akra ye sorry a na asandefo ho nsem na ye ka mi hu ano asandefo sikafo nyina even if you see them in Accra almost die okumase almost die we yekurom angunafo ntesa not nesentesa enemo ne omusu na edoso NDC mu omutrimu odin. I'm telling you people, me say the American me say Ghana for a pen of credit penifo name asantini ba akoko pia bochire na busuafo nyina enyo nyina de I'm talking in terms of so yi asade 420 a move 15 ko pia bochire na busuafo nyina obeya manasa obia ewes oboa your partner so be fi na too
ya yo ebebom kaboom ebebom. You people think God is going to watch you to destroy innocent souls' life, destroy the lives of innocent kids who don't have no helper. Because of your Range Rover, sorry, you guys are going to pay for it, Papa. You think it's a joke? Hey, Mami Tio last time, I'm free. How come?
Nyam Ghana, you know, Lubuden. Nya national development in Temi Budano. We must be bold so that Obirija, when that politics, they are reward and punishment. So once I can reward now, you can get the punishment.
No, say Marcus.
Magda, Daniel, and the Nema Guabonte. Magda, the Nema Guabonte Gunsum.
MPP fast. Yes. When Jano Yagani, Magdano
Magda, Daniel, and Nema Guabonte.
Vida homie.
Yeah, you didn't never Guabonte.
Magdano Vida homie. Next time you got to a bar. NDC on him, don't mind me, Muntum Kada Bibi down, but all your mistake no question down be.
And I'm no Cassay, me no Cassas here, Casua on Mendra. A police a coach where you ubikunu, dear Sema. Asuma Negirison to prepaid or to prepaid no 200 Ghana cedis in the 3 days. Wa Bonnie Union Suman and Yahono and Romocofano. President Mahama first one or buy a part 1. Ugua warrior baby through doom so. Part 2, Sisi Osansu gu aware through Agyeta, electricity prepaid Agyeta, wakofadi ababetu yeso.
Na President Mama oba wa kramita million.
Na on kramita man akufo at the time na say ni etu electricity wa hanum. Sa na eto prepaid ukroma. Wonko oba ensema okan wo ka kire say obe man cheap electricity. Oba ya wo de akọ 28 ahin water and then kwofo nchichire ice block. And so I see so moya vortic ewo mu fie. Aden. Pin koso o man ko nkofo brown ebre kyerɛ sɛ dum so asanso unity ɛnɛ me no ka sɛ adenta kyerɛ hɔ no nkofo the light da dum so mu 24 hours yɛn so am light. What is happening in this country? ɛna ne yɛ kasa mo so me yɛ ka aso obi asoro papa no wɔ kurom ha obi asoro President Akufo-Addo ne John Mahama wan na yɛ pani ni bi sɛ wasɛm President Akufo-Addo ne John Mahama wan na yɛ pani